experience station.
So what do you notice? What do you notice?
Brown stuff in the air. Like dirt. Pollen.
Well, all right.
Achoo, achoo.
Right, when I first saw him in the office, I could see anything like this. She knows where to walk.
Wow. She definitely knows where to walk. All right. So then,
Look at her. That's a
so now come on, get yourself closer to it and see what at this stage do you notice. What does this remind you of? Cattails. Have you seen? Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit of eyebrows.
So, like you say, it reminds you of wheat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Face painting.
So, we have, whatever it is that.
Like stargazer lilies, that pollen that comes up.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So it reminds you of the pollen off of stargazer lilies.
Right. Stuff, the pink stuff in the inside. Okay.